Hi guys, today I'll walk you through on how to use the copy code function in CodeWrite. So what is the purpose of this function? This is commonly used to copy an old code to make a new one for the same client, although you may also copy code to use for a rework job. To do this, let's start by going to the codes page. Then from the codes page, locate the code you want to copy, for example, code 20831, then click on Edit Code. You will be routed to the Build Code page. And once you're in here, click on Advanced Actions and press Copy Code. A window will pop up on the right side of the page. The first drop-down field here will show you the copy code type options. If you want to copy the whole code, including the contact, products, pricing, and basically everything indicated in the current code, select the first option, Copy the whole code. Now, if you want to copy the whole code but wanted to omit the contacts so you can allocate a new customer details, then select the second option, Copy the whole code without a contact. Then the third option is Copy just the measure sheet. Select this if you only want to copy the window and measurements. Last option would be copying the measure sheet without the contact. So let's set it back to the first option. Then enter the number of copies on the next field. Lastly, we have here the code label if you want to put in some labels that would easily identify the new code from the original one. So let's put it blank for now. Then to proceed, click on Save. So you will see that this is processing, but once it is successfully processed, you can see a success in green button. Click on Open Code to pull up the new job. And you will be routed to the new tab and a pop-up window will appear. Make sure to press on Continue. So once it loads, it will now show you the new code number with the applied information you've selected. So that concludes our video for today. Please watch our other videos so you can learn more about advanced coding.